Okay, guys. This it. Record me.
Wow, guys.
Wow.
Finally.
Guys, finally. See how it have been trapped? So this is what we were trying to tell you guys. See how it trapped. You see, guys, this guy is so happy, man.
This is a village life, guys.
So this lunch, the kids so happy.
So guys, now finally it's
this is the first one. This is the first one.
Food. Lunch.
Yeah, lunch.
So guys,
what's up, guys? Welcome back, man, to this amazing vlog today. My name is Gasuku Bennieto. If you're seeing me for the first very time, to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always tuning in here to watch these amazing vlogs from Bennieto. I'm coming live from Kenya, Africa village, Migori County, man. Yeah, I'm here with the gang. As you can see, I have here kids, and in front of us is Sunday JJ4. So today, this is an amazing video and it's very important. So if you had plans of living, like you don't want to watch till end, guys, let me just give you a clue. It's an amazing video because we are going to trap and catch some birds, yeah, with a very amazing trick here with the Sunday JJ4. We are going to use a lot of things to trap them. So first, let them introduce themselves, all of them, then we continue, man. What's your name? Muita. What's your name?
Jackson.
What's your name?
My name is Mikael Masakwe Chama.
What's your name?
Msimu.
Msimu. What's your name?
Obisa.
Okay, so this is the gang, guys. We are going to trap and trick the birds, yeah, for lunch today. So keep watching till end. Make sure you enjoy. Have here my cousin.
yo, what's up, guys? Now I'm happy to supporting us, guys. Thank you for supporting us.
Yeah,
thank
man.
you for show us love and support. It's our guys. I'm Sunday JJ4. Who was the first to see this face for first time? Go check me out at Sunday JJ4. So thank you so much. Let's go. So you know
What is this you're carrying?
Yeah, this is a sisal. So it's calling some good
Termites.
Yeah,
but they're called termites, or yeah, these ones. So these ones are the ones that we are going to use to catch the birds, guys. Yeah. So we store them inside this sisal because they can fly. They have wings, as you know. Yeah. Okay.
So guys, let's watch this video until the end. I hope that you are going to enjoy this video. It's amazing. You know me and my cousin have a good contact, so you can search this contact out. So you can watch until the end and you can subscribe. You can leave.
Yeah. So this one of the sticks we're gonna use. We cut a stick that have got branches like this, 2 branches. You can see there is a nail here and a rope. So this one is the one that you're going to make it like stand firm. Then we do that thing. So keep watching till end. Make sure that you enjoy. Hotel. So we are looking for the stick I've told you. Yeah, a very big one. So Sunday JJ.
끊어오르래. Rumuri, semua muri sonda mati bahana andur.
Kono. Taruh udah mulai. Ada rumine dari sana.
Sama cik begini. Tahu itu. Tahu. Wah. Ini dia. Enak begini. Yang dulu waspi. Boleh kenapa beri? Boleh tinggal.
We wanna use it to make a rope. Yeah, very short rope to increase. Where are we gonna use the rope?
This, want to make like this.
You're gonna make a rope like that, at least to be so long at least, yeah? That's too short. Yeah, so do it, bro. So we've extracted that from this side sword, as you have seen the process to doing right here. So the rope.
Do you know how to make rope?
Yeah, I know how to make rope.
So you can make.
Yeah, sure. You think I don't know how to make
You
rope?
don't know, bro.
I know. That can even tie a cow. Oh, so this it, we're gonna join it with the other one there, and it will be okay. Yeah. So guys, we are going to find a good spot where we'll get to catch a lot of them, the birds, yeah, any kind of bird. Then we're going to prepare it for lunch. So let's go find a good spot. The gang is already there, ready, man. Okay, so let's go. Keep watching. Okay, guys. This it. Record me.
Wow, guys.
Wow.
Finally.
Guys, finally. See how it have been trapped? So this is what we were trying to tell you guys. See how it trapped. You see, guys, this guy is so happy, man.
This is a village life, guys.
So this lunch, the kids so happy.
So guys, now finally it's
This is the first one. This is the first one.
food. Lunch.
Yeah, lunch.
So guys,
Why you are teremura? Keki na uma.
Takaya.
It's by she is kirai mura.
Tutaka tukivuna mababa.
Takibu.
Kwani wana harusi sasa tike kukoroma.
Oh, so these guys they are saying he removed the shirt. The bird is so aggressive, guys.
Wow, I'm so happy. Finally my work is done.
So remove the nini. Tachikirusia mapapa kanu. Takisona mapapa. Takibuna.
Ngatorenge. Poteka.
Hapa ni kama panashika.
Hapa dai bana, kazi yenye tunafanya.
So he's breaking the bird's wings. He's breaking the bird's wings. Teka balo tora nyori bino hano ibiaru sana. Kion kurebo kiri. So preparing another one. Yeah, to catch, man. Preparing another one. Preparing another one. So this is the star. This is the star, man. Yeah, the star boy, guys. Gift him for the very good work. Yeah, with Sunday JJ alongside. Man, this is so nice. This is so nice. Today's lunch gonna be delicious. They are saying that the bird is so sweet. Ikinyonyi kioniki eh? Eke haro? Eke koberekero? Biting. It's biting them, guys. At the river.
Yeah.
So guys, we are resting beside the river. Yeah, beside the river bank, and so we are waiting for the traps to do that thing, man. Yeah, we are under the shade, under the tree. Yeah, at the shade. We are just getting the breeze. Yeah, cool breeze, man. This is a spot. So you can see there is a lot of water flowing. The current's so heavy. Like water is flowing so fast, and the water is a lot. The water is so a lot because it's a rainy season, guys. The waters are a lot. Yeah, so continue watching as we are gonna trap a lot, like many of the birds for lunch. Today you must eat, yeah, fried meat of the birds. We must, man, we must. Keep watching. This is where we find the termites, guys. But unfortunately, they are not here. But this is where we find them.
Because of sun.
Yeah, as you can see, because of sun, they're usually here in the morning. But now, they are not here. So, We have here small ones. We're gonna use them, man. There's just enough for today. Tama, leta wiki chinde chupa. As we are waiting, guys, for the traps to catch something, we have decided to come and refreshen up. It's hot, man. There is a lot of sun. So as we are waiting for the traps, we're gonna take some bath here and swim. You can see my friends there. They have already crossed this flowing river. So for me, I wanna just bathe because I don't know how to swim, guys. I don't know how to swim in this like this water. I only know how to swim in a like water that is not flowing. So like this water is flowing. It's very hard for me to swim. Yeah. So kindly watch this video till end as I gonna bathe. Taking a bath, man, as the traps continue to do that thing. Hey guys, already done with the refreshing up, man. Who is clean? The guy is clean, man. I'm feeling so fresh, and how I wish when we are from the river we go find something. Or how do you see it, bro? Yeah, when we from here we go find something. Yeah?
I'm naked.
You are? I can't show you naked. This guy is naked, guys. This guy is naked. But the experience, like in this river, I'm really feeling so cool. My body have already cooled, and I'm feeling so cool, guys. I am feeling so cool. So I wanna bath sun here as I wait my friends, the gang. You can see the gang there. They wanna bathe. So let me wait for them as they gonna bathe while I'm basking the sun just right here on this, just right here on this rock. These rocks are so hot. Like even when I'm just sitting here, I'm feeling the hotness. So guys, keep watching till end. Make sure that you enjoy. So go bathe, bro. Go bathe. Go bathe. Go bathe. So guys, after bathing in the river, we came home, man, to take lunch. We are so tired. The traps, we left the traps down there. They continue like trapping. Yeah, after we eat, we are going to see the progress. So here we are taking ugali, and this is made from wheat. Mama yamba inaitwaje? Nini? Marevo. Ni marevo?
Cassava.
Hey, cassava. Cassava. It's made from cassava and these eggs. Guys, these are very delicious meal in the village. I know you've never seen this. Explain to them what's it. Cassava. I know you, if you've once ate like, if you've ever ate ugali, I know you know ugali from maize, but this one cassava, it's so like soft, so soft, so you can see it, and very enjoyable, man, and sweet. So thank you so much for watching this video till this part. We're forever grateful. So the other part, like as we cook the birds that we've got, I'll show it in the next video. So let me end the video here as we are gonna eat. I'm here with my cousins too. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, just like that. So guys, thank you so much for watching till this part. We're forever grateful. Let me end it here, man. Tell them bye.
Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you so much. And bye guys.
Yeah.
See you in a
Bye.
next video.
Let's meet in the next video. If you want to see the process of frying the birds after we caught them down the forest. Right now we are at home, man. Subscribe. Leave a sweet comment if you haven't. Subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, man. That's the only way of supporting this young boy here, Benito. Let's meet in the next video. Bye, man.